By the time I get off at work, I'm gonna be looking like a poodle. Hey guys, it is Jerika. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, a few disclaimers. I know this is a hair video, but I have to put some disclaimers out there because it's been a minute. Let me take my glasses off because they're dirty anyways. So I feel like I'm always, like, since I've gone back to work, I feel like I'm just constantly saying, I'm constantly apologizing because I'm sick. And it's like, I'm really just about over it. Okay, I'm over it. So yeah, I wanted to just apologize for the breaking videos and inconsistencies because guys, like, ever since I went back to work, I've just been a complete mess and I'm just trying to get my life together. I'm trying to get my health together, but I just, like, with everything, all these diseases going around, it's just like, I just can't catch a break. And so today is Saturday. I've been home all week quarantining because I don't know if I have COVID or not. I'm still waiting on my results. I got tested on Tuesday. It started Monday. The symptoms started Monday. I got tested on Tuesday. It's Saturday and I'm still waiting on my results. So I'm not sure if I have it or not, but I have been quarantining just in case because, I mean, it was easy to quarantine because it really didn't feel like going anywhere to begin with. But I'm like, I'm sorry, y'all, like, I'm so out of breath. Like, the simplest things have me out of breath right now. Just simply walking to the bathroom, walking to the kitchen. Like, I'm just so out of breath. I can't catch my breath. And I'm like, some people are probably like, well, why are you filming a video? And it's like, I want to film. I miss filming. I miss filming videos. So, like, I need to do something. So it's like, I'm going to film this video. So I'm sorry that I sound like Chucky from Rugrats, you know, but this is the new norm for me until I'm able to breathe through my nose again because I cannot breathe through my nose. So, but I want to do a hair video with you guys. This is a wash and go that you guys are looking at right now. This is a lazy wash and go. And what I mean by a lazy wash and go, I did not part my hair in sections and apply the product. I literally part my hair down the middle and just slabbed on gel and just combed it until it was defined, and then I let it dry. So when I tie my hair up at night, I like to do it in a pineapple with a big silk scarf like you see here, and I sleep like this, or I'll put my bonnet on and, like, kind of like tuck the hair and like this and put on a bonnet, which I did do that last night. And then when I wake up in the morning, then I take it off. So I don't know exactly how it's gonna look. This is my first time trying this stretching method. I saw this from a lady, what's her name? Naturally somebody. I'll put all the information in the description bar below because this is not something that I made up, but it was a video that I saw of hers, and I'm like, I really want to try it. Now my hair has been, like, it's 8 o'clock at night, so my hair has been like this all night and all day, so probably not a good idea because my hair is probably, like, stuck in this shape. As you can see, it's stuck in this weird shape. So I really need to, like, what I would normally do though is I would shake this out in the morning so that it wouldn't be stuck like this. As you can see, this was a lazy wash and go, y'all. So I literally did not do my sectioning that I normally do to get super definition, but this isn't bad for it to be a lazy wash and go. This isn't bad. Like, look at this, y'all. Like, my hair is sticking straight up. My hair is sticking straight up, y'all. So, whew, I'm out of breath. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. So, yeah. So, but it's okay that it's sticking up right now, y'all, because all of this is the whole reason we're doing this, to stretch this. Like, the front part is always the first, like, the front of my hair is always the best part. It's always the back that's on crack because it's the part that's laying flat up against your scarf. So I am going to be sectioning my hair and trying this method. So basically, this stretching method, what you do is you spray the hair and you stretch it using a blow dryer. Now if you don't want to use heat to stretch your hair, you are more than welcome. You don't have to do that, but I've never had any issues with heat damage by stretching my hair because I don't do it that often. And even if I did, I'm really not thinking that I'm going to have any type of heat damage because I mean, like, it's not like I'm not flat ironing my hair. So okay, so I am back. So what I'm gonna do one side at a time. So I'm gonna try and split this down the middle. All right, so I'm hoping y'all can see me. So I'm just gonna put this side over here in just a little ponytail, just because. Now, for those who don't know, my hair is below my bra strap. So the fact that my hair is below my bra strap and it looks like this is insane. But I'm gonna part my hair in two. And like I said, I don't know how successful this is gonna be, seeing that I didn't define this wash and go at all. Like I said, I literally just slapped on the gel and the products. To wash my hair, see, like look at this. Like, I have to literally break this apart like this because I did not. This was not a effort wash and go at all. Like, I was just trying. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray. All I have is this little spray bottle right here, and you're gonna spray from like here, because you don't want to get your ends, because your ends is what's supposed to be defined. Mine aren't that defined because, like I said, I did not. This was not a wash and go that I actually took my time on. So I'm just gonna spray it because you want it to be damp. You don't want to do this on dry hair. And I'm just going to use my blow dryer, and I'm just going to I'm not going to use it on any type of high heat. I'm going to put it on setting like it has two heat settings. Like, it has cold, and then it has like little hot and then hot. So I'm going to put it on the second setting because I don't want it to mess up my hair. Okay, so this is how it looks from that little bit of stretch. So as you can see, it's definitely stretched. It's definitely looking a lot better. But I'm going to try this again though once I actually like do a real wash and go. But this is just to experiment. But I think this is pretty cool. This is how long my hair is, y'all. So it's all the way at my boob. So I'm not going to be able to get it to that length, obviously, because then it would no longer be curly. But it is going to be a lot more stretched than it would be, you know, if I didn't do this. So like I said, it does not look as good as it should look. Like, now I wish I had actually took my time on this wash and go, because like, look at this, it's not even defined right there. This makes me want to wash my hair all over again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this side of my hair. I'm going to come back and show you how it looks, and then I'm going to do this side, and then I'm going to come back and show you how it looks, and then we'll be done. Alright, you guys, so this is how it's looking with just a basic stretch. Like I said, it's not as defined as I would like it to be, just because, you know, like I didn't do my best with this wash and go. Like, this was literally a spur of the moment thing. I'm like, oh, let me just try and see if it works. But compared to what it was to how it looks now, it looks definitely a lot better. But I am going to pick it out later just to see how it's going to look. But I'm definitely liking this side more. So I'm going to do the other side, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I am back. As you can see, I got much more length, and this was a lazy job, y'all. Like, I didn't even part my hair in the small sections like I should have done it. But this is just like me parting it like I showed y'all, and those are pretty big sections. If you do it in smaller sections, you'll get if you do it in smaller sections, you'll get a lot better results. But I can already tell just the fact that, you know, this is what I did. I got a lot more length. Like, I could obviously stretch it a little bit more, because as you can see, I can get a lot more stretch out of this. But this is just to show y'all, like, look how fluffy my hair is now. Like, oh, I'm excited about this. Now, if it wasn't so humid outside, I would actually wear my hair like this to work, which I will eventually do. But it's like, it's so hard. It doesn't really make any sense to do this, because by the time I get off of work, I'm gonna be looking like a poodle. So maybe by the time, like, maybe September, October-ish, I can do this at work. But as of right now, like, this would be a complete no-go. But I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? I didn't even stretch this back part back here. Like, I could have stretched that, but I was being lazy. So this looks pretty bomb. The fact that my hair isn't even that defined and it still came out this good. So this is this side, and this side, and the back is a mess. So the back is a mess. So we're not even gonna show that for real, because I already know it's a mess. I didn't really do the back. I was just testing this out. So this method I like, and I definitely will be utilizing it in the future. But again, I will be doing this video again in the future when I actually take my time and do my wash and goes. But this was just quick, just an experiment just to see. And even the experiment came out pretty well. So just imagine like when I pick it some and make it bigger, it's gonna really be dope. So I'm loving this, you guys. Like now I just want to just play in my hair. Like maybe, see, look, I could get so much more length out of this, y'all. I really could. But we're not going to push it today. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is Jerikasyncere. I will leave it down here. Whew, y'all. So out of breath. But I thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.